Hi, my name is Anna Hall. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to Connected Living by MyWay Village and show how we can help bring sustainable adoption of broadband services to your community. There are three key elements of Connected Living. The first is a simple, easy-to-use, friendly online interface that helps seniors connect with their family, friends, and peers in their community. The second piece of Connected Living are the Connected Living ambassadors. There's nothing better than bringing a personal touch to technology. Ambassadors are trained to make the Connected Living experience unique for every resident. The third element is Connected Living curriculum. It's stimulating, engaging, encourages discussion, and uses state-of-the-art video, music, and sound to stimulate memories. MyWay Village is searching for partners who would like to apply with us for the Broadband Technology Opportunities Program, otherwise known as BTOP. Under this program, the federal government provides grants that fund up to 80% of broadband services for the unserved and underserved. This funding will help to finance the construction and operation of computer learning centers. Also, it will help to bring in programs like Connected Living that help seniors learn to adopt and sustain their use of the internet. For more information on how we can partner and bring Connected Living to your community, please contact us at 617-328-1600. We look forward to working with you.